Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to timely get new video updates. This video guide will describe the steps to install Zabbix and its basic configuration. Zabbix is an open-source software developed and supported by Zabbix SIA that monitors numerous parameters of a network and the health and integrity of servers, virtual machines, applications, services, databases, websites, the cloud, and more. Zabbix allows users to configure email-based alerts for any event, excellent reporting, and data visualization features based on the stored data. On Zabbix official repository, you can find Zabbix download link and installation guide as well. In this video I will install current 6.2 latest release. You can follow Zabbix guide steps for installation, but for this video, I am going to use my document for installing and configuring Zabbix. The link for the document can be found in this video description. First we need to install Apache Web Server, PHP, and MySQL database. Follow the document guide and use commands as defined. We have successfully installed requirements. Let's download Zabbix repository and install Zabbix server, front end, and agent. Let's configure the MySQL database as per next step. Copy and run the commands as demonstrating. Make sure to type same password as you defined during SQL configuration, or else you will not able to import initial schema data. We are now ready to configure the Zabbix server and start the server processes. You can use any editor to uncomment DB password and enter Zabbix database password. I am using VI editor, and to enable writing use I key, and once done making changes hit escape key and type command as listed on screen to save and exit from editor. Follow the given commands to start the Zabbix server and agent processes, and make it start at system boot. Finally, we need to install language packs for Zabbix. Confirm the IP address of your Zabbix host and open in browser as showing in example. We are able to successfully install our Zabbix server. Follow the screen instruction to reach to login screen page. The default username is admin and password is Zabbix with all lowercase. To change the Zabbix frontend admin account password, navigate to Administration and select Users and then click on Admin Account. Click on the Change Password button and add your new password. Once done, click on the bottom Update button in order to save the admin account's new password. You need to sign out and sign back in with new password to confirm. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.